So Cole Pipes still rocking his LaunchBox build, and I came across these American Laserdisc games, and they're awesome. They're very short, but they're awesome, like because they had to record so much video that it took so long that they only have shorter games. Now I haven't gotten to the end of every game, but some of these games are much shorter than a typical game might be. But the light gun was working right out of the box, and the emulator was working right out of the box, which was really nice. And this actually came on that video I did about a week ago about the 300 gigabyte ultimate LaunchBox build. And this is on his base image, so there's no extra add-on packs I had to use. Also in this video, we're going to play Virtual Cop 2, which is a Sega M2 emulator game. There's also Sega M3, and at the time of when I recorded this footage, I didn't quite get my light guns working on that yet, but now that I'm already recorded this video, I actually do have it working, and I'll make another video on that, which allowed me to play the Jurassic Park games that you're going to see in just a second here. But further, why I'm saying all this is that if you're looking for a good light gun image to start that has some games that not like House of the Dead, for example, we see here. If you're looking for an image which has some good light gun games on it, not just MAME, then look no further. Now, as far as MAME goes, this particular base image does not have MAME on it. You want to download the arcade add-on pack for this particular build if you want to run the MAME light gun games. Speaking of that add-on pack, it is amazing. It has all the light gun games for the original MAME emulator, not the additional Sega Model 2, Model 3, and TecknoParrot, for example, which are all, arcade emulators, but not MAME itself. So, long story short, this is awesome. We played around with a lot of this stuff here. And in this video, it's just kind of playing around with mostly the American Laser games and Virtual Cop, showing you how great these games play, and it's a great addition to your light gun build. I recently downloaded this CP78 LaunchBox image, which actually came with some really cool, unique light gun games. So that's what we're going to do in this video, is just play some really unique, cool light gun games, including some classics like Virtual Cop 2 and House of the Dead, as well as these cool movie, kind of Daphne-style games. And they're hilarious and awesome, and work great with the aim-track light gun.
Welcome to Undercover.
You gotta be tough to be on this team, partner.
Welcome to Delta Force.
Armed robbery at that location.
10-4. Let's kick some butt. Everybody freeze! Too bad you're out. I was beginning to like you, pal.
Shoot to choose a location.
At that gang fight location, we'll advise. You'll never make it, Tony.
That guy.
Let's take some target practice.
Don't shoot!
No.
They're dealing dope in this bar. What do you say we buy these guys a 6-pack?
Please don't!
He looks suspicious.
First 2 shots are on us.
Guess he had one too many.
Nah, actually, he's had just enough. Come on. It's Sierra County. Fast wheels mean drug deals. I know. I'll chase them. You waste them.
You're dead.
Now, what gets your shooting license? In a cereal box?
Others are still inside. Save them. Help! They're inside. Help them. Sophie? Stranger, this is a map to the gold. Watch out for Mad Dog.
Hey, partner, we better get into town.
Well, you got 2 lives left.
Have you considered our layaway plan? You're a bounty hunter, right? Well, come on, use that gun. There's been other bounty hunters before you, some of them pretty good, too. But here's the best.
Save the mayor! Over there! Help me!
I thought the helicopter was empty. The helicopter holds a lot of people. I couldn't get it to reload.
So in conclusion, Virtual Cop, these American CD games were a hoot. As you saw, I mean, they must have had to like go and film all that video and then add in the light bars, you know, where to shoot. For the most part, it's pretty accurate using the aim track light gun. House of the Dead, Virtual Cop 1 and 2, and then a lot of the other games I played in the video worked great. No issues at all with the light gun. You know, just as long as you calibrate your light gun with the aim track utility or arcadeguns.com utility, you know, it worked just fine. All the controls were pre-set up. And what I might do is get this build. This is the build I reviewed yesterday, and just go ahead and throw on some other MAME games, like for example Terminator 2 and Time Crisis and a few others to really kind of you know, even this out. But I was really glad I found these games and got to experience them, because now I know what light gun games I want on my ultimate light gun build.